Hello, today is December 26, 2025. I am re-recording some of the content from the previous video because the sound quality was horrendous and I didn't cover everything anyway. So let's do this. I am going to go briefly, actually let's just do it. Okay, if we remember Verdi, the Aurochs, our main character, first character, I did a material pass on him and made his skin more leather-like, gave it a bit more variation. His eyes are now a lot more lifelike. Before they were just blank white orbs. He has a reflective cornea. I actually had radial muscles in his iris. I don't know what happened. Actually, I know what happened. While redesigning the camera, I had to restore the project from previous backups 4 times to get the eyes working. It was a fiasco. It was World War 1.5. Okay, in early December, I created those waterfalls. It is 4 elements, 3 of which are Niagara effects. So there's the flowing water. There are 2 mists, one at the top, one at the bottom, and there's audio now. That is new. So let's play and hear it, as well as see what the camera redesign looks like. So you can hear the waterfalls basically anywhere here, and it's stereo sound. The camera is much more stable nowadays, now with this version 3 of it. You can look up, down, around, you can orbit stably. It doesn't go crazy when it's behind him or in front of him like the previous version was. Range strike. I've introduced a canter, so there's a fast walk / jog now. And then there's that guy. It's a totem that he attacks. He registers a threat. Goes. Attacks it. It resonates. Makes its own sound. And releases the energy back into the world. So he's now, whenever he gets within range of it, if it is attackable, it's on a 3-minute timer right now, he'll go into alert state, he'll charge it, attack it, and then recover. Oh, nice, he's doing that. So I sculpted that totem in Blender and brought it in to Unreal Engine. Let's take a quick closer look at it while he's roaming around. So I was looking to, it's better in Blender sometimes. So I was trying to get a combination of organic and mineral with it, and a little mystical with the glyph. So that's a gem one transparent, translucent, and an emissive element. Trying to get that lattice to look more mineral. I've got this affinity for green glass, sea glass, so that's what that's made out of. Hello. So that entire saga of creating the totem, animating his attack, making the AI reliable and repeatable, took the better part of a month. The camera redesign took 4 tries to get it right. It punished me. It was ugly. But I think the result is good. I don't like collisions with these collisions with the walls. Sometimes lose my orientation. So what happens is if you hit tab, it resets your view. Get lost, go, get it done, and it's this over the shoulder. So, except for maybe tweaking a couple of bugs with this attack, I think that's in. What I am doing currently is, here we go again. Anytime the camera collides with the landscape, he disappears, and only in this section. So I've got to figure out why it's doing that, and only with the attack animation. What have I forgotten? Okay, forgotten. Just forgot to cover. You notice now the will-o-wisp. It's darting around. It has its own movement, and not only that, I can send it out in any direction. Currently only in X and Y. I can't send it up yet or down. And the whole thought of it is to get it to scout. And the idea is that this is a triad. Us, the Wisp. There he goes again. Us, the Wisp, and Verdi the Bull. The Wisp is constantly looking for things. I have to fix that. That's getting maddening. The Wisp is looking for things. It's not finding everything. It's not a metal detector or scanner. It's just registering what's around. Is there a threat? Is there food? Is there a drinking spot? Relaying it to him, and he makes a decision if he's hungry or thirsty, or if he's going to go and attack that threat. The only thing that we're doing is by moving the totem, the Wisp, say to the totem, is just telling it, hey, pay a little more attention here. See if you find something. Might be interesting. At least that's the current thought. Totem's attackable again. This camera collision's I'm not entirely happy with it. We'll get it right. Oh yeah, the blinking. He's blinking now. Every 3 to 6 seconds he'll blink. you disappear again. Alright, that's it. See, there's a bit of variation. Alopecia on his skin on one side. I really gotta get him right. I gotta get his skin right. Anyway, I forgot something minor. That's it. At least those are the big things. The big ticket items. Okay. Hopefully this recording comes out better than the last. If you made it this far, thank you. And see you next time.